Today, we will be installing the Hopkins Towing Solutions Smart Light. Here are the tools you will need: a pair of wire cutters, crimpers, a 7/16" ratchet or wrench, wire brushes, butt splices, and electrical tape. First, disconnect the trailer wiring from the tow vehicle. Then, disconnect the existing lamp from the trailer wiring. Loosen the fasteners on the lamp housing and remove the lamp. Be sure to clean any metal ground surfaces with wire brushes. Next, mount the smart light to the existing mounting location. Secure the lamp housing using the included lock nuts. Make sure to install the white ground wire to the mounting stud on the light. Attach the smart light red wire to the stop-turn signal circuit on the trailer. This is typically the green wire on the passenger side. Then, attach the smart light black wire to the tail light circuit. This is typically the brown wire on the trailer. If you need additional help or have further questions, call our tech support line at 1-800-835-0129. Hopkins Towing Solutions, for a simpler and more rewarding towing experience.